This is Aska Tanveer with Kashmir Panorama. The jailed all-party Hurriyat Conference chairman, Masarat Alam Bhatt, has said that the Kashmir dispute remains an unfinished agenda on the 1947 partition of the Indian subcontinent. According to Kashmir Media Service, Masarat Alam Bhatt, in a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, emphasized that peace and prosperity in South Asia and beyond cannot be achieved until the Kashmir dispute is resolved in accordance with the United Nations Security Council resolutions. The APHC chairman asserted that the people's movement, rooted in historical facts, universal legitimacy, and the moral and political support of the international community, will ultimately triumph despite the repressive measures adopted by the Indian occupational forces. He also expressed deep concern over the worsening human rights situation in Kashmir and called for the early resolution of the Kashmir dispute in line with the UN resolutions. Masarat Alam Bhatt urged the UN to take serious note of India's use of brute military force against the people of Kashmir and to pressure New Delhi to halt gross human rights violations and arbitrary arrest in the occupied territory. Moreover, the BJP-led Indian government's claim of restoring normalcy in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and following the revocation of Articles 370 and 35A in 2019 is contradicted by disturbing statistics of human rights abuses. According to data compiled by Kashmir Media Service, 955 Kashmiris have been killed since 2019, including 18 women and 31 teenagers. Custodial killings and fake encounters account for 251 deaths, while 2,480 individuals have been tortured or critically injured. Over 25,591 arrests have been made, and 1,127 properties, including houses and shops, have been set on fire. Additionally, 72 women are widowed. 199 children orphaned and 145 women were gang raped or molested. The crackdown has also led to the attachment of 326 properties and the suspension or termination of 198 employees. A staggering 20,869 cordon and search operations have further militarized life in the territory. Rights groups have condemned the Indian government's actions, describing them as they are influenced by the Israeli military tactics. Observers liken the current scenario to the oppressive Gulgak prison system of the Soviet era, highlighting the severe restrictions on the Kashmiris' fundamental rights. They urge international community to take notice of the situation and ensure accountability for India's human rights violations in the occupied territory. Moreover, Congress leader and Lok Sabha opposition head Rahul Gandhi criticized the Indian media for neglecting the pressing concern of common citizens and farmers across India. According to Kashmir Media Service, speaking at an event in Mahou, Madhya Pradesh, the birthplace of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Gandhi accused the media of being controlled by large business groups, resulting in zero focus on real issues. Gandhi highlighted the challenges faced by farmers and unemployed youth, arguing that these topics are frequently overshadowed by the political narrative serving corporate interest. The media has become biased, catering to the needs of business conglomerates while ignoring the struggles of ordinary Indians. This is not the first time Gandhi has criticized the media's approach. Over the years, he has consistently called out its alleged lack of objectivity and failure to prioritize issues that matter to the general public. The Congress leader urged the media to uphold its role as the fourth pillar of democracy and focus on addressing challenges faced by the country's marginalized and underrepresented communities. It is worth mentioning here that the BJP influenced media diverts attention from genuine issues facing the Indian people by the sensationalization of the narratives around Pakistan, Indian Muslims, and Muslim worship places. The media exploits communal and nationalist sentiments to create distractions instead of addressing critical challenges such as unemployment, rising inequality, and the agrarian crisis.